Okay guys, short video of how to replace a radiator of cooling radiator for Peugeot 1.4 liter gasoline, 75 horsepower, 2000 year 2000. In order to remove it, you basically need to disconnect that hose. There is another one from expansion tank, this one, and you have two brackets which slides in like that. You have to remove those. There is a screw, torque 30. There is one more bracket which stays here, so you need to remove those. Those are rubber grommets that it's like a vibration dampers which are here, and you have to screw it in here, and it just comes out right away. Always make sure that before you buy it, you need to measure the distance between the brackets which holds the radiator. That distance, also distance of the exchanger, width and length. Let me unpack that one. That should be alright. So I transferred out this is adapter because it comes with the kit. You need to plug that opening. In this case we don't need it. We have two openings, and in, out, and expansion tank connection. So we're gonna transfer that hose over there, and we're gonna install it.